Buju ginawa miwa birasige kwendayama nungum asigavigan no kiwen umaya. Bijinago and gigagirod il eko niwing. Nungum giwi wabandan abata etayan mino eko nissing mino eko niwing giwi wabandan nungum. Giwi wabandan o ishpin gigi il gishkejan giwi gishkejan il nijing giwi ayan oma. Abata etayan na sabiu dibish google. Remember, these ones are cut perfectly equal. Dibish google, they're equal. Minawa, giwi ojabian o wins winomaya. Let's write our name up here. A B ta a ta ayan. They are half. Abata etayan ingi kish kijan. I cut them half. Minawa gaye. Inga maznabige mieta bejik omaya. Bejik abata etayan. Bejik abata etayan. This is 1/2. Minawa gaye. Abata etayan. Ishpen giwi maznabige gakena eu mizaweya. Nish na abata etayan. 2/2. Eu omaya. Minawa. We wabandan oma. Giwi wabandan o eko nissing. Eko nissing. Eko nissing giwi gish kijan niswe. Gonna cut it in 3s. We need nasab eu. These are the same. Eu nasab nasab nasab. Aha. Miu. Ga kasbigen. Mino giwi masna bige. Mieta bejik omaya. Bejik. Bejik. Eko. Bejik eko nissing. Bejik na eko nissing. 1/3. Bejik na eko nissing. We wabananoma ishbin niwi inga maznabige niche. I'm going to color in 2. Bejik niche. Niche na eko nissing. 2/3. 2/3. Niche na eko nissing. How ishbin niwi is it again? Inga maznabige niswe. I'm going to color in 3. Niswe na eko nissing. 3/3. Meanwhile, ingi maznamige. I colored in 3 of these. We wabanan oma. So that's how many I got there. Meanwhile, gaye. We wabanan. Anin ojabian. Anin giwi. O ma. O giwi ojabian. O win to win. Anin janakadeg. Eko ne sing. Eko nissing. Aha. Bino gaye. We majtamen eko niwing giwi wabanan. Bejik nish niswe niwen. Inga gish kejani il niwen. Niwen ingi gish kejan. I cut it equally in 4 pieces. Dibish google gish kejan. Na sabiu. Na sabiu. Na sabiu. Na sab. Mika kena na sab. Mika kena na sab. Oh, minawa go. Inga mazinabige eu inga bajtun ozawa. I'm gonna use yellow. Inga mazinabige bejik. Bejik. Bejik na niwing. 1/4. Bejik na niwing. 1/4 ingi mazinabige. That's how many. Let's say whenever I color in these, just so you know, whenever I color in one of these, that's how many you eat. So if we have all of these, if these are pieces of pizza or if they're cake, then the ones that you color in are how many you eat. Aha. Let's keep going. Inga mazinabige nish omaya. I'm going to color in nish. Minuagaye. Anish manekoma. How many is this? Nish na eko nissing. 2/4. Oh, we wabananoma. Eu niswe inga mazinabige. Ingi mazinabige. I colored in 3. Anish manekoma. Niswe na eko niwing. Eko niwing. Niswe na eko niwing. Bejik nish niswe eko niwing. Minawa ish bingui inga mazinabige niwen eu. basic niche nisway niwen. Niwen na eko niwing. Yeah. Meanwhile, inga mazinabige yo. Inga mazinabige. Eko niwing. Eko ni wing. Eko niwing. Yo. Eko niwing ama. Eko nising. Eko nising. Abata etayan. Ginatam gedamikan abata etayan. Eko nising. Mino eko niwing. It's your turn. You have to go and find abata etayan, our halves. Eko nising, our 3/4 or our thirds. Ganjra, our thirds. Our eko niwing and our fourths. Misa iyo nungko migwich bizendawian. Thank you for listening to me. Kikawabmen.